Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you how to reset your Frollo passcode. So without wasting much of our time, let's get to the video. First of all, tap Open Frollo application, which will then prompt you to enter your passcode. If you don't remember your passcode, then you only have 3 attempts in order to type in the correct password for Frollo. If you don't remember your passcode, simply tap on the Reset Passcode link and in the pop-up tap on Reset. Now tap on Sign in from the options and you will now need to enter your email address and password for your Frollo account. Go ahead and enter your email and then enter your correct password for Frollo. After entering the password, you can tap on Sign in. Now set up a new passcode for your account once you are logged in. After entering a passcode, confirm your passcode by retyping it again, and you have now secured your application with the new passcode. Now next time you are trying to open up the app, you will now need to enter the newly created passcode. So that is how you can easily reset your passcode for Frollo, even if you've forgotten it during opening up your application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.